This video explains how to install the Qorvo Biotechnologies Omnia instrument. For additional information, please refer to the Qorvo Omnia Operator Manual. The Qorvo Omnia system is an immunoassay testing format that utilizes an innovative bulk acoustic wave detection technology to deliver rapid test results. The automated instrument contains hardware, software, and mechanical components necessary for biomarker detection. The Qorvo Omnia instrument shipping box contains the following components: 1 operator manual, 1 quick start guide, 1 power supply and power cord, 5 replacement air filters, and 1 instrument. Place the instrument on a clean, level surface, ensuring that there are at least a few inches of clear space around the instrument to allow for ventilation. Recommended operating temperature for the instrument is 15 to 30 degrees Celsius, 59 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Attach the DC power supply cable to the back of the instrument. Use only the Omnia system power supply that is provided with the instrument. Any other power supply may damage the instrument and void the warranty. Plug the grounded AC power cable into the provided DC power supply, and then into a grounded electrical outlet. If using Ethernet to transmit results, connect an Ethernet cable, which is not supplied, to the socket at the rear of the instrument. Connect the other end of the cable to an active Ethernet socket. 2 USB ports are available for connecting an external printer or a barcode scanner and can be used to copy data to a USB flash drive or install software updates if needed. Power up the instrument by pressing the power button on the top of the instrument. It takes approximately 5 minutes to reach the required internal temperature, 37 degrees Celsius, 99 degrees Fahrenheit. It is recommended to leave the instrument on for the period of the working day. After instrument initialization is complete, the login screen will be visible. If you are setting up the instrument for the first time, the username admin and user password admin, both lowercase, credentials will be needed to log in for additional setup steps. After logging in with the admin credentials, the system will require you to create a new password for the admin username. After you enter the new password, the system will return you to the main menu. New user credentials may be created by pressing Settings at the main menu, and then Admin. Create user credentials for each expected operator of the system and record those credentials. When logged in as a user with administrator rights, access to all system settings is available as illustrated on the system settings screen. When logged in as a user with lab tech rights, limited access to changing system settings is available as illustrated on the system settings screen. After creating the user logins, log out and log back in as one of the newly created users, because the initial admin login credentials do not permit the operator to run tests. While logged in as a user with administrative rights, select the Settings button from the main menu. The following screen will appear. The About screen provides information on the instrument, including software and firmware versions, number of hours the instrument has been on, and the number of cartridges that have been run. The Audio screen permits the user to adjust the volume of the tone that sounds at the completion of a test. The Display screen is used to adjust the backlight of the display. The Event Log screen is used to view and download internal information about the instrument operation. The event log can be copied to a USB by pressing the Download button and may help when communicating to the customer support team. If an optional external printer is connected via a USB port, the printer screen permits the user to configure automatic print results. If Auto Print Results is turned on, test results will print automatically following the test completion. If unchecked, results can still be printed from the results screen at the completion of the test by manually selecting Print. The cartridge screen allows the user to insert a cartridge and read its test type, lot code, and status. In this way, the user may determine if a cartridge has already been used, without going through the process of setting up a new test. The database screen enables test results and diagnostic data to be automatically uploaded to a Qorvo-owned and managed database after the test finishes. Check the auto send after measurement to enable this feature. If the instrument is not connected to a network, uncheck this box. Test result records, up to 1,000 files, or diagnostic information, up to 20 files, can also be copied to a USB drive. The date and time screen allows the user to set the current date and time. The Reports button brings up the Configure Reports screen that enables the user to select the data to be included in the printed report. To configure network access, use the Network screen. The Qorvo Omnia system may be connected to the Internet via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Ethernet connectivity is enabled when the instrument is connected to an active Ethernet socket. Select IP settings and select Automatic IP to On. If the instrument has been assigned an IP address, it appears on the second line. Wi-Fi connectivity uses a WPA2 PSK personal network. While on the network screen, select Wi-Fi and turn it on. The instrument will automatically search for networks and display them on the screen. Select the network of choice by touching the network name on the screen. The password screen will appear. Type in the password and press OK. The Wi-Fi icon will be highlighted, confirming the connection. If the instrument has been assigned an IP address, it appears on the second line. Network connectivity can be checked at any time by selecting Settings at the main menu and then About. When connected, the IP address will be displayed in the About screen. If there is no network available, a network can be established using the hotspot feature on a smartphone and proceeding with the Wi-Fi connectivity instructions. If not using Wi-Fi or Ethernet, turn all automatic IP options off so the instrument isn't searching for a network. Test results records can still be collected, up to 1,000 results, if not connected to a network. Results data, including the last 20 diagnostic files, will upload once the instrument connects to a network. External quality control solutions are used to demonstrate that the test cartridge and the Qorvo Omnia system are operating properly. The use of external quality controls after installation are recommended where appropriate. Refer to the quality control section of each test cartridge's instructions for use for specific guidance. For more information on the system installation or connectivity, please refer to the Qorvo Omnia Operator Manual.